over some best practices for using the AI companion when building or editing your project. These simple tips will help you get better results, reduce back and forth, make sure the AI makes the exact changes you want, and most importantly, help use your AI credits efficiently. But before diving deep, please make sure you've got a clear picture of how the AI companion works on CodeDesign. We've already made a video and article for you, linked in the description. So let's start with the first and most important rule. Be specific about what you want and where you want it. For example, this is the demo page that we generated for a music producer based in Baku. And here you have this blue submit button in the forms section. Now, let's make this better. So what do? Prompt, make the button better? Hold it right there. Instead of saying something vague like, make the button better, do this. With this element selector active, click on the button you want to change, and then the button will be added to the context of the chat. Now let's prompt something more specific, like, make the button on the contact form bigger. And then I'm being super specific about what I want by typing this. The button can have a blue and violet gradient and then have a border of a matching color. Also change the text from register now to join our waitlist. Yeah, this is a bit of an overkill, but you get the idea. Let's see how this goes. And there you go. AI did all the weightlifting for you here and delivered what you asked. Now, here's another interesting instance that you're gonna love. Let's say you are neither creative or technical enough to specify exactly what you need, but you have a vision. So what do we do here? Check this out. I'm selecting the button in the hero section, like here, and this is the prompt I'm typing in. Change the Learn More button in the hero section. I want the button to feel like the most important thing on the page. Bold, beautiful, and impossible to ignore. The text should make people feel like they're about to get a music production service from experts who are passionate about music. And let's see what the AI companion cooks for you. Yeah, almost there. And there you go! I gave a very specific vision, and this is spot on. Now, this is indeed impossible to ignore and looks really cool. So that's basically tip 1 for you. Just be specific. Moving on to tip 2. Focus on one main task per message. For example, let's say you've got a few edits to be done here, like change the page to light theme, change the header color, and then add a contact form below the hero section. Don't outright put all this in one prompt. This will make the AI less efficient, and it will be hard to make individual changes for each corrections. So what you gotta do? Break it down into smaller individual steps. In this case, start with the prompt to change the page to light theme. Let it cook, and then once it's done and you're happy with the output, move on to changing the header color. And once that's done, prompt it to create a contact form as you want. So, in a nutshell, working one step at a time makes the AI more reliable and makes it easier for you to review the results. Now, tip number 3. Asking AI to fix something. I think this demo will help put things into perspective. Check this out. Right now, the service section tiles are kind of bland and is just sitting static on the page. What if each of these tiles could do a neat hover animation and then reveal a link to their individual pages? Note that we don't have individual pages yet, so how do we get this done? Here we go. First, I'm selecting the section containing all these tiles as you see here, so the context is sorted. And then, instead of a vague prompt asking to create a hover effect for the service section, I'm prompting exactly what I want in detail. I need individual service sections to do an elegant animation when hovered, and a Learn More button appear when it's hovered. Also, each of these links should direct to a new individual service page. Here I'm specifying I need the hover animation to be done individually for each tile. And then I'm mentioning what I want when it's hovered and where should these links be directed to. Prompting objectively this way makes sure the instruction is clear, what exactly you want is created, and there are no dead links when the Learn More button is clicked. And now check this out. We have this really good hover animation for the tiles, and then pages for each services are generated as well. So that when you click on Learn More, you're taken to an individual service page. That covers the essentials. Now, it's time for you to jump into the builder and apply these techniques yourself. We'll return soon with more advanced prompting strategies. Until then, happy building!